We have tons of stuff in here, mostly skincare and hair care. Cat! Welcome to my channel. My name is London, and today we got some empties to go through. I am so happy. I'm still staying pretty consistent with my empties, but before we get into all of my empties, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, like this video. I've been trying really hard to stay on top of my project pan and get all of my empties done. So let's start off with some skincare. This is the Bad Habit Cleanser. I know a bunch of you guys ask me a lot if I still like the Bad Habit stuff, and yes, I finished this cleanser entirely. I don't know how I feel about this cleanser. I wish they did have a regular cleanser. This one, because of the mint, you can't use it around your eyes. If you do, it will burn if you get too close to your eyes. For regular face, I did like using this in the morning to help to refresh my face. I'm probably not going to repurchase this only because I can't use it around my eyes. Unless it is like an exfoliating cleanser or like a salicylic acid cleanser, something with an active ingredient, it doesn't bother me if I can't use it around my eyes because it's like a targeted treatment cleanser. But like for this one, I'm just kind of like, I would like to use it as a regular cleanser, but I can't. So I'm a little iffy on this, though if they do come out with a new cleanser, I will be pretty excited to try it out. But that's pretty much my final review on that one. Speaking of cleansers, I have the Junoskin Clean Tin Cleansing Balm. I ran through this like crazy. I highly recommend this cleansing balm. I think it's really affordable. I think it's around $20, but I am obsessed with this. It was so gentle. A little bit goes a long way. It emulsifies and melts your makeup super duper fast. Liquid eyeliner, eyelash glue, waterproof mascara, liquid lipstick, the whole 9 yards. I love this, and I really want to try more Juno & Co. skincare because I really love this a lot. So definitely keeping my eye open on Juno & Co. Let's switch it up. I have the YSL Shock Mascara. I didn't entirely finish this one, but it did dry out pretty bad on me. It is a blue mascara. The blue mascara was fun while it worked. I did reach for it because I wanted to use a blue mascara for once, and it was dried out and it was way too clumpy for me to use. But yeah, I do like the Shock Mascara by YSL. I love YSL. Would I repurchase this one specifically? Probably not, because I don't really wear blue mascara all that often, but it is a fun pop. So next thing is another makeup item. This is the Dragon Beauty eyeliner. I really don't like this at all. I feel like I just got this. I think I got it in an Ipsy unboxing, but it dried out so fast. I couldn't really get anything out of it. It's like not really black anymore. It just went on my eyes like really patchy and kind of like gray. And so yeah, I tried shaking it up. I tried getting some of the ink off. I tried cleaning off the felt tip. I tried storing it like tip down, and nothing seemed to work. So I'm gonna have to say goodbye to this, and I am not gonna be going near this with a 10-foot pole. Maybe I got a bad one, but I have other eyeliner favorites that I like a lot better. Something a little bit random, the Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser. I do want to keep this little matte thing. This is like too far gone for me to do anything. It's like all broken up, so every time I try to swirl my brush in there, it just doesn't really work. But I did really enjoy this, and this lasted me forever. I'm sure I've probably had this cleanser for like at least 2 years, and it's gone such a long way. I do have the liquid cleanser that I have finished before, and I think what I'm doing is I'm going between the liquid and then the solid, and then the liquid and then the solid. So I finished the solid, and now I'm going back to the liquid, but I'm probably going to repurchase this again because I do really like it, and I clean my beauty blenders like once a week because I only go like 2, maybe 1 day without wearing makeup a week now, and I really need to clean my beauty sponges all the time. All right, so the Powder Puff Bubble Bath Bar. I did get this to go a pretty long way. This is by Soul Body ColourPop, and I did like the smell of this one, and I was able to break it up a bunch of different times. I do want to try some of their other like bubble bath, bar, bath bomb type products, because I have tried the Powder Puff one and I finished it, and then I did also try this one from the Rudolph collection. This was the bath soak, and I liked both of these a lot, except I think this one, oh yeah, this one is Soul Body as well. So yeah, I do want to try to fool around and look into their regular like bath products, because there are times in that time of month where I just really want to take a nice bubble bath and just like stay in some like nice warm water, and those came in just the perfect time. If you guys don't know, I did get off of birth control recently, and it's been a journey of cramping and just like my hormones are all over the place, so my time of the month is just a little bit harsher than it should be at the moment, and having a nice bubble bath is so great. All right, I finished the Bite Agave lip balm. It's like literally I can't twist it up any more than this. I've had this for so long. I do like it. For some reason, the Bite Beauty lipsticks I actually use those very sparingly, but I do really like the lip balm. Would I repurchase it? Probably not. I do have some other lip balms that I do need to finish, but if I did happen to stumble upon it, I probably would, because I do like it a lot, but I'm not going to go out of my way to get it, if that makes sense. All right, we have a brow pencil, y'all. This is my second Fenty eyebrow pencil that I have finished, and I was so sad when I couldn't screw it up anymore. I have one Fenty eyebrow pencil left, and I'm obsessed with these. I'm going to keep repurchasing them. I absolutely love the like brush spoolie that it comes with. Definitely 100% yes, repurchasing this. All right, next thing. I've had this for a while now. This is the Kesha Rose Hip Dot. I don't know what happened, but it's a dual-ended eyeliner, and pretty much the same thing. It's just where it's not a true black anymore, and it's drying out, and it's getting empty. The other side is blue, but the other side also, it's not as pigmented as it used to. I still have the other one. There were two different duo eyeliners, and I still have the other one, but I did pretty much finish this one. I don't know if you can still buy this, but like I said earlier, I do have other eyeliners that I like a little bit more, so it was fun and it was nice. I like the packaging a lot, but it's nothing super unique to me. So I have one. This is the Volition Prismatic Luminizing Shield SPF 50. I did finish this out. I did like it, though I do think they reformulated this. I'm not 100% sure. I'm pretty sure they did their new SPF. So it added like a really nice dewy effect, which you guys know I love the dewy skin. But I think the Tatcha one is my ride or die sunscreen right now. And same thing with this Lancôme one. The Lancôme one is Aqua Gel Defense SPF 50. This one, it had a white cast to it. It smelled like sunscreen, and I ended up using this more for like my body, and I just kept this like little sample size in my purse, and I just slapped it on anytime that I felt like I needed some extra SPF, and I used it on like my forearms and whatnot. So I mean, I couldn't be mad about that, but I would never repurchase it. I think I got it in a sun safety kit, and yeah, I still like the tatcha more. All right, I have finished the tatcha rice powder. This isn't even the full size. This is like a deluxe or mini size of the rice powder. I've had this for so long. I want to say this has lasted me, gosh, maybe like 3-4 years. This has lasted me so long. I love this. Anytime my skin felt rough or dry or just like had a lot of texture on it, I used this and my skin was like instantly better. I am obsessed with it. I will definitely be repurchasing this. Next thing is the C Firma Day Serum. I did hear that they did reformulate this, so I would be interested in trying the new vitamin C serum. I do have some other vitamin C's that I do need to finish before I go out and buy any more, but I did like this for the time being, and I do feel like my skin looks very like radiant and all of that good stuff that vitamin C does. But other than that, I don't really have anything else that I need to say about this one other than I love Drunk Elephant, which I do have some other Drunk Elephant stuff in here. I finished the Tango multivitamin eye cream, this little sample size. I really enjoyed the eye cream. I finished like so many of these little ones, and I think I finished a full size too. So definitely, if I had the chance to try this again, I definitely would. And I finished yet another jelly cleanser by Drunk Elephant. I love this cleanser. It reminds me of the Fresh cleanser, but just like a very gentle, every single day cleanser. It helps take your makeup off. It's super gentle around the eyes. It doesn't dry your skin out. I love this great cleanser. And then the Drybar Clear Dry Shampoo. I have a little sample size of this one, or a mini size, and I love this. It definitely was clear. I didn't notice any like dry shampoo residue. Since I am growing out my natural hair is a bit darker than the blonde that I did have in my hair. So it has been an interesting experience to try out some dry shampoo, to where I used to really love it and now it's leaving some like residue white cast in my hair. But I did really like the clear Drybar one. Another one that I did really like is by Pravana, the fresh dry shampoo. I can't remember where I got this, maybe in a Influenster box, but I did really like this one as well. It didn't leave a lot of residue in my hair. Felt like it fixed the oiliness in my hair all day long. Like those two a lot. And last thing in my empties is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This I think I got in the Sephora Favorites kit a while ago, and I love this. I've been really enjoying Glow Recipe lately, and I would definitely buy this one again. But that is everything for my empties this time around. Definitely don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for Wednesday's video. I'm so excited. So definitely put your notifications on because I have a surprise for Wednesday's video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.